Just Xinhua last night saying that this is a new shine in the golden era between the UK and China. Are UK businesses buying it?
Well, I think Theresa May has been on this trip very much to reaffirm the golden era and to hopefully enhance it and bring more shine to it in the coming years. And certainly the British business community has welcomed some of the developments that have happened over the last 2 to 3 days. Most notably, the kicking off of the trade and investment review, which means there'll be an intensification of dialogue between the Department of International Trade and MOFCOM, to ease trade restrictions on both sides and perhaps lay the foundations for a future trade arrangement. Otherwise, we had a CEO roundtable, again, which intensified the dialogue between UK and China business people. And additionally, we have seen a few wins. We've seen the BSE restriction on beef, which will be lifted. We've seen other changes in terms of dairy products, which is all good for UK-China trade relations.
How tough of a sell will it be for the Prime Minister, though, to further open up the Chinese market? I mean, we certainly have seen some of these state visits. They look very flashy, but when it came to, Macron, when it came to even Mr. Trump, it was almost like these deals were more repackaged old ones or these MOUs, which are non-binding. So how tough of a sell is it going to be?
Well, I think you've really got to look to what Liu He said in Davos just a few weeks ago about the fact that China will be opening up further over the coming years. And that's what the UK business community is really looking towards, especially here in China, in market. There is a lot more talk around opening up the service sector to UK and other international businesses. Obviously, at the back end of last year, we saw the financial services. And there was a State Council circular which has opened up some of the financial services in terms of foreign investment restrictions. And we're hoping to see that the words actually turn into actions here in China. And we see a more even playing field for British and other international businesses.